You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with the order of operations. The final result is 3. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. We begin by calculating the expression inside the parentheses. Perform any multiplication or division, from left to right. 17 times 2 equals 34. Calculate any addition or subtraction, from left to right. 37 minus 34 equals 3. Perform any multiplication or division, from left to right. 8 times 3 equals 24. Calculate any addition or subtraction, from left to right. 27 minus 24 equals 3. And so the final result is 3.